expressions in Korean language vary depending on status, relative degree of intimacy, age, and other relevant factors of speaker and listener. The grammatic terminology for such variance is called honorific system. There is a number of different ways of expressing in honorific system. But in this lesson, we will look at most often used three main styles: hairstyle, hairstyle, and 합쇼 style. First, there are different expressions used in Korean language for the same sentence depending on the status of speaker and listener. For instance, for the sentence 나는 학생이다, if both the speaker and listener are students and of same age, then the sentence can be expressed as 나는 학생이야. If the speaker's status is a student and listener is a teacher, then the sentence is expressed as 저는 학생이에요. 저는 학생입니다. In the above example of 나, 저, 학생이야, 학생이에요, 학생입니다. 저 is a humble expression of 나. Using specific vocabularies, we can express appropriately in a given situation. Second, there are different expressions used in Korean language for the same sentence depending on the relative degree of intimacy between the speaker and listener. If the speaker and listener are close, then expressions such as 나는 학생이야 are used. And if the speaker and listener are not close, then expressions such as 나는 학생이에요 are used. Third, there are different expressions used in Korean language for the same sentence depending on the age of the speaker and listener. If the speaker and listener are of the same age, for instance, teenagers, then expressions such as 나는 학생이야 are used. And if the listener is in his, her 40s, then the speaker uses expressions such as 저는 학생이에요. Also, depending on a given situation, an ending of a sentence changes. In formal situations, 안녕하십니까 is used. And in non-formal situation, 안녕, 안녕하세요 are used. To summarize, the hairstyle is used in informal situations where the speaker and listener have close relationships or there is not much differences in the social status or age. The hairstyle is used in informal situations but requires to respect the listener. And the 합쇼 style type is used in formal situations where a respect for the listener is also required.